Hi everyone and welcome to a theme park worldwide news update. Now yesterday, Drayton Manor theme park that's located in Staffordshire here in the UK announced that they're going to be closing one of their thrill rides. Pandemonium will operate for the last time this weekend and it'll close on Sunday for good at Drayton Manor. So if you haven't already, get to the park and experience this, and maybe you've been on it before and you love that ride. Head to the park and give it one last send off. You've got a few days left. That's what I really do appreciate about Drayton Manor. They've gave us the advance warning here that it is being removed, and you can head there and get some last rides in if you want to. Now with Pandemonium, it opened back in 2004. It's a double gondola swing ride manufactured by Fabry. It actually stands at 22 meters tall and it's quite a big signature thrill ride for the park. So it is sad to see it go. Is it one of my favorites at the park? No, it's not. I actually found it to be pretty uncomfortable actually, especially the fact it's got an over the shoulder restraint that's pretty tight, and then also a bar comes down on top of that as well, as you are quite kind of closed in on Pandemonium, meaning that it's never been one of my favourites. However, for its time back in 2004, it was a big ride to open. I'll always remember we had Spinball Whizzer open at Alton Towers, another one of my local parks, and then of course Drayton Manor as well, which isn't too far away either. So yeah, it was a good year actually. A big flat ride at Drayton Manor, a coaster at Alton Towers. So yeah, it will be sad to go. It's the nostalgia of it for me. I like the theme of it, I like the colour scheme of it, but the ride itself isn't going to be too big of a loss to the park in my opinion. What is sad though is that it's another ride removal from Drayton Manor. Over the past 5 or so years, we've seen so many rides coming out and nothing really coming in, apart from this year, 2021, where we have seen Adventure Cove open, some refreshed rides, some new theming, the brand new Wave Swinger, the reopening of the Rapids. They've done quite a lot this year, which is really good to see, and hopefully that's the direction that the park are going. Yes, we're going to see some rides taken out along the way. However, we're going to be seeing lots of new things coming in too under the new ownership of the Looping Group. Bear in mind they own various different parks throughout Europe, including here in the UK, the West Midlands Safari Park and Pleasurewood Hills as well. So they know what they're doing. I've got full confidence in them. There's some great people at Drayton Manor too, and I really feel like yes, we're going to see some changes. However, new rides and areas will be coming in, which is very exciting. So yeah, you know, it's going to be sad to see it go, but I'm not too worried personally of how this is going to impact the park. It's not one of them rides that gets hugely popular these days. Yes, on a busy day it'll still get a bit of a queue, but it's not one of the ones that people normally say, oh, I'm going to Drayton Manor to ride Pandemonium. That's normally Shockwave, of course Apocalypse, and also Thomasland as well. But yeah, there's been rumours going around for a while about Pandemonium being removed from the park, and yeah, it's sad to see it go. However, I'm pretty sure there's going to be some new stuff coming in, because let's just read this statement here from the park. So this is from a spokesperson at Drayton Manor who said, "We've got big plans in the pipeline to expand our offering and make the park as exciting as possible for our guests, and we can't wait to reveal the new developments for 2022. So there we go, already that confirms that there is going to be something new coming to the park for next year. Will it be in the area where Pandemonium is or not, or will it be somewhere else in the park? Anyone who's seen my past couple of vlogs from Drayton Manor this year will know that there's been some markings around the floor towards the Buffalo, and also as well on the Triangles area, which is the large green area next to the lake, meaning that could we be seeing some development there? I'd say that could be the case. I mean, normally when you see markings on the floor, that does mean that something's happening, something's been planned, some development. So could that be the 2022 investment, or could that be somewhere else in the park, and this could be for 2023 or onwards? Who knows? But it's certainly very exciting, and I look forward to hearing more from Drayton Manor as we get kind of into next year. Are we going to start seeing construction? I'm at the park tomorrow. That'll be the next video coming up, a vlog all about Drayton Manor's firework display, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, you know, of course I'll check out any of the updates and see if there's any more markings around the park. So I feel like, you know, the future is in good hands at Drayton Manor. Yes, we're seeing some rides go. There's been a lot of rumours, of course, about Apocalypse, with this being its last season. Not at all. It is going to be operating again into 2022. How long that ride has got, who knows? You know, the ride is up for sale as far as we're aware. I'm hoping that the park do change their decision on that. It's a big ride for that park, and you've got to think the sit down has also got a height restriction of 1.2. You know, I keep saying this, so it will be sad if we see that go. You know, I would be really upset. With Pandemonium, it's not one of those that bothers me too much. However, it might be one of your favourite rides, so of course head to the park, give them some support, they're going to need it, as they're moving forward, because there's a lot of investment coming in as far as we know, with new areas. So yeah, it's definitely going to be worth getting to the park, saying goodbye to this, watching an awesome firework display that's on this weekend, Friday and Saturday, and yeah, saying goodbye to this classic thrill ride at the park. But there we go. Let me know your thoughts down below in the video comments. Yes, it's sad to see a ride go. However, if this is paving the way for something new, then yeah, we're on to a winner. Personally, I really feel like the park needs a new roller coaster. Yes, I'm expecting it to be more of a family thrill instead of a full-on thrill ride, but something like that would be great. It's clear that Drayton Manor are going more down the family thrill route, like Paulton's Park, for example, that's down south. That's working well for them. It's clear that Drayton Manor are kind of leaning towards that, removing another thrill ride. However, let's just see what happens in the next few years. I think, yes, we're going to say goodbye to some more rides. However, we're going to see new bits coming in, and as long as them bits are getting replaced, that's the main thing in my opinion. So there we go. Thanks for watching Theme Park Worldwide. Stay tuned in the next couple of days for a vlog from Drayton Manor, and that leaves me with one final thing to say. Get out there and keep on riding. I'll see you all in the next video.